recording, and then I'll put it up on the YouTube so that the rest of the students can see it thoroughly. Okay, very good. Right. First one is very simple, 3200 ml. Right. Correct answer was 3 liter 200 ml. Right. As you can see it on the screen. Correct answer 3200 ml is 3 liters 200, 3 liter and 200 ml. Very easy example. Next one, 12 into 200, right? So all you had to do was 12 twos are, which is 24, and then put the two zeros behind it, right? So very easily it can be converted into 2400, right? So correct answer was 2400. Okay, so that is very easy part. Okay, now going to the next question, which is 77 into 54. 77 into 54. So I can do it by box method, I can do it by lattice method, but since we have studied lattice method this year, we are going to do it by that method only. 7, right? 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, and 28 here. So 8 comes down, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 1 carried over, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9 plus 2 11, 1 carried over, 3 plus 1 4. Answer was 4158. Yes, very easy examples. Yes, very good, Daksh. Very good. Easy examples, easy question paper, right? Come on. Next example. This was very easy. 3 fours are 12. 12 sevens are 84. And then you have to put the three zeros at the back of it. Very easy question again, right? Very simple one, right? This one also was very easy, very similar. If the cost of one phone is rupees 4,000, then the cost of 25 phones is rupees how many? It looks like it's a big example, but in fact it is very small one. That all you had to do is 25 into 4, which is 100, and then put three zeros again. Yes, very good. So correct answer was 100,000, or you can say it 1 lakh. Okay. Arrange the following in increasing order of their weights. Now this one was interesting because the answers were little bit different than you are used to see, right? So first of all, you have to convert all of them into different. A is 3250, B is 3 kg 200, so 3200 gram. C is 32 kg, so that becomes 32,000 grams, and D is 80,000 grams. So now you have to arrange them in the ascending order, increasing order. That is 1 here, 2 here, then 3, and then 4. Yes. Okay. So correct answer would be for this one was, right, B, A, D, C. Option number 3 is the correct answer, right? So correct answer was option number B, A, D, C. Okay. Next one was very simple addition only. Very simple example of addition. Yes. Very good, Rudra. Good one. Yes, Gia. Very good. Right? Come on. Very easy example. It was simple addition problem that can be easily done by anyone. This one was also easy. How many of you got it correct? Was very easy. 2 kg 100 gram was the weight gain. So basically you have to reduce 32 kg 508 gram minus 2 kg and 100 grams. So the answer would be 30,408 gram. That is the correct answer here. Yes, as you can see it on the screen, 30,408 gram is the correct answer. Okay. Then next one, in the given figure, which pan will go down? This was very interesting question because here you had to add and compare. So first you have to add all these. 55 plus 245 plus 700. Okay, so answer was 1000 gram. And about this one was 254 plus 600. So the answer was 854 gram. Now you had to think Which one will go down? The heavy one. Which is the heavy one? This is the one. Which is this one? A. So correct answer was A. Right? Little bit of thinking problem which was required for you all. That is the correct answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now this one was also easy. How many glasses of 250 ml can be filled from a 2-liter jug? Right? Very easy example. Right? All you had to do is multiply it, or either you can divide it. Very easy. Okay. Correct answer was 8. Yes. Right? Very easy examples. Next one. This one was very easy. Very simple. Right? Extremely easy example. 3,455 grams is equal to 3 kg 455 grams. Very easy example. Sorry, my bad here. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, next one. Oh, sorry, this one is where. There, 11 number. Now going to the 12 numbers. Shreya and Amrita buy 5 kg 250 gram of dokla and 3 kg 750 gram of jalebis from a shop. Find the total weight of sweet. Yes, correct answer. Very easy. 9 kg. Right. This example had some difficulty. Some of you were puzzled due to this question. Right. 8 kg and 1000 gram, but we do not write it like this. 1000 gram is 1 kg, which is to be added to 8 kg. So correct answer is 9 kg only. Some said that, sir, this answer is also correct. Well, no. How do you write it? That is very important. So this answer is the correct one. Okay, right? 8 kg and 1000 gram we do not write. We never write it 8 kg and 1000 grams. We write 9 kg. Okay, okay. Next one. Rahul and Shiv bought again, very easy example. This one was very easy. All you had to do was a simple subtraction, right? A simple subtraction of the example, right? And in the last one, how many milliliters should be added to 520 ml to get 3 liters? Again, very simple, right? Simple subtraction example, right? Okay, all right. No questions about this one, I'm sure. Yes, very good, Param. Okay, done. Yes, very good, very good. All correct. Everyone got it right, right? No issues, no problems. Very good. Any questions regarding the paper? Does anyone have a question? Param has a question. Yes, Param. What is the question? No question. Okay. No question. Fine. Anyone else? Rudra, Anand, Anand. Yes. How did you find the question this time? How did you find the questions this time? Yes, Shikha has a question.
No.
No question? Okay. Then why are you raising your hand? Come on, lower your hand. All right, everyone. That's it. Well, that's for the part one. Now, wait, who's talking without my permission now? I'm getting calls and I'm going to reject them. Right? Okay. Now I have no question. Yes, Param. Wonderful. Now we are going to start new chapter. Arja, what are you playing with? Arja, what are you playing with? Pay attention. Right. Now we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 2, long and short. Chapter number 2, long and short. So open up your notebooks and start writing. Come on, everyone. Come on. Open up your notebooks and start writing. Chapter number 2. Hey, where did Hardi go? Hardi? Yes, Hardi? Where did she go? Or is it you, Harvey, and or was that Harvey who left? अरे वापस भी आ गई. That was very fast. Hardi and Harvi. This is not fair. Come on. Hardi and Harvi. Come on, let's do it. Chapter number 2. Today's date. Yes, Kanani. Write down today's date. Come on. Write down today's date. And then the heading. Chapter number 2. Long and short. Come on. Shanvi, do you have a question? Yes, Shanvi. Shanvi Shah, you got a question? No question? All right, no problems. Come on, everyone. Okay, so this is the chapter. Chapter number 2, long and short. We started the chapter with, we started initially with weight, which is kg and gram. We did this examples, right? Kg and gram is the volume in terms of liter and ml, right? Heavy and light we did, then we did jugs and mugs, and now we are doing long and short, which talks about length. What does it talk about? Length. Yes, right? How long it is and how short it is. Which one is? Yes, we have to write. Come on, write it down. What you have, what I have written. These are the units: kilogram and gram, liter and ml, and then kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. 4 different units of length. Come on, let's do it quick. Come on. Done? Have you written it down? There are 4 different units of length, measuring length. Come on, do it fast. Come on, let's do it quickly, everyone. Let's finish it up. Yes, you have to write this. ध्वनि लानवानी. यस ध्वनि, बोलो.
हाँ
बोलो क्या कहना है आपको.
सर,
बोलो.
वेट के नीचे क्या लिखा है?
वेट के नीचे वॉल्यूम, VOLUME. And Shikha, don't scold me for poor handwritings. Okay, Shikha? Come on. Volume, it is written as in liters and milliliters, that we know of, right? And for length, we have got so many different units, 4 different units. Yes, Nishtha, you have a question. Okay, let's see. Nishtha has a question. Nishtha. Yes, Nishtha. What is your question?
सीएम के नीचे क्या लिखा है?
Millimeter, mm, millimeter. Sia, I am sorry you cannot see me. Thank you, Param. My handwriting is good in blackboard. That's very kind of you. That is very kind of you. I don't know how my handwritings on the board are, because I'm not the one who is reading. Yes, Harnil, बोलो. बोलो हरनल.
सर मैं अपने आप को देख देख नहीं सकता हूँ.
अपने आप को या मुझे?
मैं अपने आप को ही देख सकता हूँ.
अच्छा, तुम अपने आप को ही देख सकते हो तो कैमरा को जरा टर्न कर दो बेटा. यू कैन डू इट. कैमरा को टर्न करना पड़ेगा आपको स्क्रीन पर से, है ना? ओके, लाइक कम ऑन, लेट्स गो फॉर द सेकंड वन. Right, so meter, kilometer, centimeter and millimeter, these are the four different units of measurement. Now you all know that your scale, your ruler, right? You have the rulers with you, right? Do you have the rulers with you? Come on, take out your ruler if you have with you. Yes, you can see this one very well. Yes, right, everyone can see this one where my finger is. ये राजदीप आज क्या प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है? Okay, right, everyone? So you can see this. See what happened. It's stopping again. Right now, as you can see, the ruler that you have will have around 15 numbers written on it, and in some cases, if you have longer one, then it will be 30 centimeters. Okay, right? And as you can see here, between 0 and 1, 0 and 1, how many are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Total in between are 9. Yes? Okay. Right? All of you have 9 small cuts. Yes, so 0 to 1 here. So 0 to 1, in between 0 to 1, when I say 0 to 1, how many small cuts are there? Total 10, because we don't count the first one, but the last one we must count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 becomes 1. Okay, yes, everyone? Yes, right. So total is 10. Okay, right? Same way between 1 and 2, there will be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10th is the second one itself. Okay. So these particular part, this much part, 3 to 4, this distance is called as 1 centimeter. Right? It is 1 centimeter. It's a small distance. As you can see, it's a very small distance between number 6 and 7. It is very small, this much only, right? It is a small one, but then there is a smaller one between these two, which is millimeter. Okay, the small cuts that you can see, that is millimeter. Okay, that is millimeter. Okay, let me show you again. Hold on a second. Bhavya Patel. Okay, right? Hold on. Yes. So as we discussed, right, between 0 to 0 and 1, right, there are 10, and between this 1 and 2, this space, i'm drawing it bigger, that is called as millimeter. These two are in millimeters. So between 0 to 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. Right, everyone understood this part? Between 0 to 1, how many are there? 10. And this is something which we learned last year also. In third standard also we studied this. Yes, so 0 to 1, how many are there? 10. right? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. Yes, this is what we are going to learn. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Come on. Yes. Very good. Very good. Come on, note this down quickly for everyone. Come on, let's do this. My work is not done, Rudra. Okay, no problems. I will take it there. One more, the previous slide. Okay, I'm going to give 1 more minute for Rudra. Yes, Shikha, what is your doubt? Let's see what Shikha has to say. Shikha. Shikha. Yes, Shikha, unmute yourself and tell me what is your problem.
I was just saying that
Sorry.
I just was saying that I didn't wrote this.
Oh, you didn't write this. Okay, so note it down. Come on, everyone. Please, everyone, note it down. This is very important part. Yes, Netra. Come on, do it fast. Do it fast. Note it down quickly. Yes, come on, everyone. Note it down. Jia, already written. Dhara is writing it well. Come on, Dhara. Yes, Jia, you want to say something? Unmute yourself.
सर ये पहले मीटर किलोमीटर सेंटीमीटर मिलीमीटर वाला लिखना है या फिर
हाँ।
आपने पहले लिखा था 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10
नहीं,
मिलीमीटर
पहले ये चारों के स्पेलिंग्स तो लिखने ही है आपको. ये 4 तो लिखने ही है. लिख लो. Yes, note it down. You will need these spellings, very important. Okay. आज धरा को शनाया डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रही है, so she is doing it fine. Come on. Come on, let's do it quick. Rajdeep Roy. Rajdeep Roy, I know you want to say something. You missed the class, the bigger portion of it. So don't worry. I'm going to put this on YouTube. You can check it out later on. Okay, don't worry. I got you covered. I got you covered, my friend. Very good. Very good, Rajvi. Good job. Come on. Now the rest of it. Finish it up. Come on, let's do it quick. Right. Good job, everyone. Students have completed their work. So we have got one in centimeter, that is, another is millimeter, then there is one more called 1 meter, right? Why do we need so many different units of measurement? Why do we need so many different measurements? Yes, anyone? Okay, so that is your homework. Okay, that is going to be your homework. Find out why do we need so many different measurement units. Why do we need millimeter? Why do we need centimeter? Why do we need meter? And why do we need kilometer? That is a question. Okay, and you will get this update in your MCB diary also. Okay, I'm going to put this question in your MCB diary also, right? And tomorrow we will learn more about kilometer also. Okay, well, some of you the students, all you, we have done that in third standard also. So if you have your notebooks, you can check it out, right? Last year we have done this, right? It is the same chapter, it is almost same chapter. There is only little bit change that we will be doing it. Okay, right, everyone? Clear? Have you noted this down, everything on the screen? Yes, Ajo? Nice hairstyle, man. Come on. Good. That's good. Alrighty then. That's it for the day. Yes, that's it for the day, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, there is nothing more next, Param. That's it for the day. आज के दिन की छुट्टी यहीं पे है ना? बस आज का काम खत्म, बहुत हो गया, ज्यादा पढ़ाई भी नहीं करनी चाहिए एक साथ. अब जाकर के थोड़ा खेलना है. क्या खेलोगे ये बताओ? What are you playing? Yes, Rajvi wants to say something. Yes, Rajvi.
पगलाम पगली
पकड़म पकड़ी किसके साथ खेलते हो?
आपके साथ.
अरे मेरे साथ पकड़ा पकड़ी कहाँ पे खेलोगे आप? मैं तो स्कूल में हूँ.
मैं खेलती हूँ ऐसे.
अच्छा. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. वैसे आप मेरे घर पे आ सकते हो मुझे पकड़ने के लिए, देखेंगे कौन आता है.
हाँ, मैं आऊंगी आपके
यस,
घर.
वेरी गुड. मन इज प्लेइंग ट्रेजर हंट. अरे मन कहाँ पे, ट्रेजर हंट कहाँ पे खेलते हो आप?
In my room.
इन योर रूम. और किसके साथ खेलते हो?
With my sister. Smaller
हाँ?
sister.
अच्छा, योर यंगर सिस्टर. स्मॉलर नहीं बोलते बेटा, यंगर बोलते. विथ माय यंगर सिस्टर, है ना? यंगर एंड ओल्डर या फिर एल्डर बोलते, राइट? दैट इज द करेक्ट वर्ड, यंगर एंड एल्डर. ओके, यस. परम, वेरी गुड. प्लेइंग चेस, वेरी स्मार्ट. आई लव चेस, आई लव प्लेइंग चेस. लेकिन मुझे उन सब के सारे इंग्लिश नेम्स नहीं आते. मैं तो गुजराती में सीखा था चेस खेलना, राइट? सो मैं तो बोलता हूँ हाथी, घोड़ा, ऊंट, ऐसे ही बोलता हूँ. मुझे नाइट बोलना नहीं आता. In that case, what do we do? Can you teach me? Yes, Param, can you teach me? किसको क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, रुद्रा. बोलो
Sir,
रुद्रा.
hide and seek and cycling.
अच्छा, हाइड एंड सीक. लेकिन किसके साथ खेलते हो हाइड एंड सीक? मुझे तो कोई पकड़ ले, मुझे तो कोई.
फ्रेंड्स.
अच्छा, फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलते हो, लेकिन अच्छे से सेफ्टी से खेलना है ना, मास्क बांध के. ऐसे मास्क बांधोगे,
Yes.
लेकिन मास्क
I
बांधोगे तो दोस्त को पता कैसे चलेगा कि कौन सा लड़का ये है ना, राइट? अगर मास्क पहना है पूरा तो पता ही कैसे चलेगा कौन है. मैं जब तुम्हारे जितना था और हाइड एंड सीक खेलता था तो वैसा करता था. मम्मी की या फिर दीदी की चुन्नी लेकर के पूरा ओढ़ लेता था. मैं कौन हूं पता ही नहीं. Right? Okay, and that Andhro Pato. Have you heard about this name? Andhro Pato, right? I don't know what you call that. The blindfold. Yes, that is the word. Blindfold. है ना? Right? We call it. We used to call it Andhro Pato. So, do you play that at home? वो पापा को खिलाना है, राइट? वो पापा के साथ खेलना, मजा आएगा. मम्मी पापा के साथ खेलना है वो, राइट? ओके एवरीवन. Oh, very good, Jeet. Good job. You should do cycling. Yes, very good. All right, everyone. और जहां तक मैं ना बोलूं, ये देखो लोग स्टूडेंट्स छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. जब तक मैं मीटिंग एंड नहीं करता, क्लास मैं बंद नहीं करता, तब तक आपको नहीं जाना है. ओके? Learn this, everyone. Okay? And Dhwani, I will come and learn that Mikado game from you. I don't know what is Mikado game. That is something new for me. All right, everyone. That's it. That's it for the day. Bye bye.